House apartment, pinapaupahang bahay, open, vacant, and ready for occupancy. Hello everyone, kamusta kayo lahat? For this video, ito po yung bakanteng pinapaupahang bahay, townhouse up and down, with 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms with covered parking garage. Yes, house apartment for rent, bagong malilipat ang pinapaupahang bahay. Yes, store, yes kids, yes pets allowed, and yes parking. May sariling metro ng kuryente at tubig. Inside subdivision with community and flood-free location. Nakatiles na rin ng flooring, bagong pintura, malapit sa highway, may malapit na school at market. Yes, house apartment for rent, pinapaupahang bahay. Open for viewing anytime. Pwede niyong bisitahin para makita ng personal. Ito yung bakanteng pinapaupahang bahay. Pwede nang malipatan kaagad. House apartment for rent. Location, Bacoor City, Cavite. Yes, ito yung bakanteng house apartment for rent located in Bacoor City, Cavite. Kung gusto niyo bisitahin para makita ng personal, pwede naman po anytime. Maganda yung bahay, maganda ang location, very accessible and very affordable. Very spacious, brand new house apartment for rent, townhouse, naka-tiles na ang flooring, bagong pintura, check, 2 bedrooms, check, 2 bathrooms, with covered parking garage, check, pwedeng magtindahan, yes pets allowed, bakante, pwede nang malipatan kaagad. House apartment for rent located in Bacoor City, Cavite. 16,000 pesos monthly. Yes guys, house apartment for rent, 16,000 pesos monthly. Ito po yung updated na video. And yes guys, ito po yung full video nitong house apartment. Ito yung bathroom. Dalawa po ang bathroom nito. Merong bathroom sa ground floor and second floor. Ito po yung 16,000 pesos monthly na house apartment for rent. Ang location sa Bacoor City, Cavite. So ito po yung covered parking garage. Ito po yung bahay. Nasa end lot po siya. May sariling metro na kuryente at tubig. Ang tubig may nilad water. And yes guys, ito naman yung bathroom sa second floor sa master bedroom. Ayan, meron shower, may flush na rin ang kanyang toilet. And yes guys, marami pa akong iba pang i-share sa inyo na iba pang mga units, iba pang mga house and apartment. Welcome at maraming salamat sa panonood at sa pagbisita. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Follow and subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa tuwing meron akong bagong i-upload. Yan guys, maraming salamat para sa mga naghahanap ng house apartment for rent. Bagong malilipat ang pinapaupahang bahay. Ito po, 16,000 pesos monthly, located in Bacoor City, Cavite. House apartment for rent, pinapaupahang bahay.